Alright, this is the drive to the Great Northwest Library, 3 miles away from this Walmart parking lot in San Antonio, next to the NSI building, which I'm going to drive past, and then go to a T intersection, take a right, and then from there it's up to Garmin. Garmin identified the library. Garmin actually recognizes this library. It is 9:12 a.m., 70 degrees, gonna get pretty darn warm. I gotta get through and out north if my car can. Oh my god, I can only take a right? Oh my god, there's a light up there. Oh no, oh my god, what is going on here? I don't want to deal with this. I'll take that light if that's possible. Give me the light. Give me the light. Give me the light. Give me the light. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to take a right at the stop sign instead.
Turn right, then take the first left.
Oh, I should have been looking at you. Should have been checking you out better. Alright. Left on the... Oh! Oh!
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yeah. I think this is a pretty responsive light. I don't think it's one of them timed ones. They got to have the best around these government, these high priority government facilities, the NSA or whatever, the people who listen in on conversation, encrypt, and yep, they're changing. Yep, that's responsive. You can kind of tell. It just takes a few hundred. That sign got hit and split. Take a right. So, short drive, not too sunny, so I can have this Pro right here. Cop was sitting here in the 4 a.m. This parking lot was completely empty before, so I did not see a gate guard. I walked this whole length. There's guys in military uniforms, Air Force. So the Air Force runs the NSA. See, this is a gate, and I don't know how, like, they seem to be controlling it remotely or something. What's the speed limit? 45? Oh my god. They want people whipping through here. That guy took me kind of quick. Yeah. Taking a ride on Potranco. What? Who's beeping? I bet it's that guy that passed me. Yep. Keep beeping, buddy. You're winning. And then the van in front of him beeped in response. And then he beeped again. Sounds like a little road rage. Okay. Left, take a left on a road. Okay. I guess this is picture based. There's another gate, no gate guard. Yeah, this library opens at 10. I'm passing one that opens at 12. I like this one that opens at 10. There's HEB within walking distance. Although, there's a park though. There's a park. Warning, here's the gate. Checkpoint, be prepared. And it's in quite a ways. So there's the in and out. There's one right on the corner. That's a pretty good spot. And then they have patrols on the outside of the area, or maybe they work inside and outside, I don't know. You really can't patrol the inside of the fence. It's all nice. What? What? Is this my turn? What the? Oh my god, is this what you're saying? This? You're giving me this shortcut. I can't show it on Garmin, but it's like you're saying this is the road. See, now I could have gotten smacked from behind pretty good there. Because you're giving me this shortcut. Oh man, I should have taken the lights. This looks like a really busy road to get back on. Why does... Oh, of all the roads you have me take, I don't know about this. They might only allow rights. That is busy. Which direction is this guy gone? I can't tell. I think he's probably taking a left. Yeah, he's probably taking a left with that hot rod. So, if I try to go, like after this, he's just gonna be sitting there. So he could go now. Yeah, he's taking a left. All right. Yeah, this is oh, I guess I could have made it. You got to get into the mid. Oh my God! Unless if that happens, I don't think. I didn't see anybody behind me. I'll just sit back. Oh yeah. I created too narrow of a pathway. Wow. Oh, of all the directions that the Garmin could give me, this was a bad idea, Garmin. What were you thinking? You don't study traffic patterns for... Okay, I gotta sneak in here. I got this last... Oh, it doesn't matter about her, though. It doesn't matter about her. Okay, I'm slipping in. And I guess I'm just gonna pick it up, pick up the pace. All right, to 2 miles, 2 smiles. Yeah. As long as nobody hits their brakes too hard, accelerates too fast, keep a nice smooth flow. And we can do this successfully, passing Ingram Road. .40 on this road. It's a drop of 5. Yeah, that middle road is pretty nice that you can get on, so you don't have to worry about both sides at the same time. Why is that flashing? After the police, call Hilly and Solis, 210 Law 8000. Looks like up ahead is some kind of Mormon church. Looks like the style. Am I speeding? Okay. Justin Rodriguez. Risas La Tapatia. Tapatia. Farmers Insurance. There was actually a loyal insurance company inside a Walmart. I'd never seen an insurance company in a Walmart before. Fantasy, open 7 days. So look at this. This person has a forest in their yard, and they got great shade from it. Neighbors too, all down the... You can walk down the whole... The way they set up these trees, the type of trees. It's a really good shade tree all around these neighborhoods. It's really good shade, which is, and it's leafy during the winter time too. So according to the map, I'm about 12 miles north of the city center. I'm not too thrilled about trying to get there on bicycle then. Just pass it up. I don't want to drive any closer into the city center either, towards those libraries. I know there's some in between here and the central library, but I don't want to drive in. It's active enough. It's too active. They have security that'll watch you too closely when you get too close to the center. I had that problem when I was in that South library. I forget the name. Alright, I'm gonna just bicycle to this Cody library, keep my bicycle at the National Grocers. 3 miles. It's a nice trail to the right. It's kind of blocked off though. Flood gauge, this is the lowest part. Gee. You a killer? I was reading a dentist sign. Now he's got to take a big poop. Looks like I scared the poop out of him. I was reading a dentist sign and it said, for all generations, and it made me think, from braces to dentures. They didn't say that though. Yeah, it's so strange. I mean, I can say it though. I've never seen a dog break off from barking at me to go take a poop. He just stops barking and he's like, excuse me a second. Walks over a little bit and starts pooping. I don't think they get too many people around here. Imagine that happening to a cop. Has to break off to take a poop. He's like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to let you go. Have a good day. But you can't actually watch him walk 10 feet away and start pooping like a dog does. But I bet cops have gotten in that situation. They just stop somebody and then start the interaction, and then suddenly a poop comes upon them and they're like, oh, I gotta break off. I'm gonna let you off with a warning. Oops, got another call. The call of nature. Alright, so I guess my camera lens is dirty. If I got these, no, actually I still get streaks regardless of how much I wiped in the past. Gas is $1.97, less than $2. This is the NSA. Just two big buildings or so. And it's a lot different how they structure the government building stuff. You see just more general fence to even protect a parking lot. So it looks like Vila is challenging Salazar for the Bexar County Sheriff. Michelle Barrentes Vila, and Salazar, Javier Salazar is the current sheriff. So you got Walmart over here, and then the NSA building, which really looms over the parking lots. That's a big building. And then they're building something else right next to the Walmart. It's all top secret, or you're not allowed in the area without strict permissions. Alright, for an 8-minute and a 5-minute video to transfer to this phone, the S9, it took 7% battery life because I was at 85%. So I had to turn this GoPro 5 on. So that's only a small fraction of it, transferring the video from the GoPro to this phone I'm recording on. I've been eating a lot of applesauce and yogurt together, and they've been pretty good for the first 10 jugs of applesauce, but this last one, it's really been burning my not spleen, but kind of the spleen, the middle burner, and it's really annoying. I think there's problems with consuming too much applesauce. I never realized before. It happens when I overdo a certain one food. I overdo, like oranges I've been overdoing, and I've been getting a bad feeling with that. So I guess I'll need to cut back on the applesauce. It doesn't even really seem that natural anyway. Should be cutting up real apples. I just took so many single food items too far and discovered the problem that they create. I mean, I've taken peanut butter too far, got some nasty heartburn. I've taken avocados too far and felt this weird ickiness. I've taken pancakes too far, eaten too many, and gotten the indigestion, like they just sit in the gut. Applesauce causes a burning sensation in that part of the gut. Milk by itself, it just starts to get stagnant and makes my heart race from the stagnation. Eggs, those are really hard on the heart. Taking that too far, it's so hard. I think maybe part of the reason I'm taking some food items too far is because I can't refrigerate. So I'm trying to eat this stuff as quick as I can. Overdo it because they sell them in large amounts, a pound of meat at a time. I could go more for a half a pound at a time, but the minimum is a pound. So I really struggle. Like, what do I want to throw away? The extra meat seems like a waste. Yeah, I'd rather not get into the habit of uploading 360-degree videos, but I just don't see any option for making a regular video on my laptop. It's like I took another look because of all the failures that happened throughout the day today on the Samsung S9. It really makes me want to try to get a Samsung S10, but that's just too much. Like $600 or something. That would really cut into my savings just to render those videos better. The videos would probably render a lot better, be more successful on an S10. But do I really want to leap to a S10 and have an S9 too? I think I usually prefer to make a bigger jump than that. Maybe wait for an S11. Alright, I know I'll be showing the same stuff, but it'll be in a different order because I'm on the opposite side of a lot of this. Southwest. Okay, yeah, I'm closer to other things now. Yeah, I've gotten a little further away from the center city. The Wool Invasion, straight east? I don't recall seeing that one. Council House Massacre. Wow. Siege of Bexar. See, these aren't familiar. A saloon? Is that a person? Pajolaka Hakwesia. It's a lot of points of interest. Yeah, and then the Alamo, 12 miles from me. Straight east. That's too far of a bicycle ride. It's through all this traffic. Pershing. Yeah, these are a little more familiar. Stinson Field I was at. Okay.